Hello viewers, welcome to the topic I've started before. This question on board is the third question. I've treated two before. So this one will make it the third one right now, okay? If you never watched the previous two, please make sure you go and watch them. What's the question on board says? It says the ratio of the sides of an isosceles triangle is 7:6:7. Find the base angle find the base angle to the nearest degrees. Some of the qualities of isosceles triangle is this. Isosceles triangle has two equal sides among the three. You know, every triangle has three sides. Out of these three sides, two of them are equal. Then the base angles are also equal. Okay, that is it. Like when we have isosceles triangle, the properties of them says that these two sides are equal. Then this is the one that will make it three is different, okay? Then the base angle are equal. If here is theta, therefore here will also be theta, okay? So from the values we have here, it means that this side is 7, this side is 7, because the two sides are equal. Then here will become 6. Now the question say we should find the base angle, okay? The base angle. If we can find one of it, then we've found both of them because the two of them down here are equal. So in order to find the base angle, what do? We now find the mid of this triangle, meaning we now find the half of the triangle. This is the half of the triangle, okay? So this line that divided them into two made this angle to be right angle triangle. One side right angle triangle, the other side right angle triangle. That will enable us to find the base angle. That means from here now to here will become 3. Then from here to here will become 3. That is 3 plus 3 will now give us the 6, okay? Right? Okay, now, in order to find the base angle, what will we use according to SOCA? SOCA tour. From the SOCA tour, if we consider the 3 side of this 1/2 now, we have 2 sides of it. Hypotenuse side, which faces angle 90 here, and the adjacent side, which is adjacent to the angle, one of the base angle we are looking for. So the hypotenuse side is 7, then adjacent to this angle is 3, okay? So from there, we can now use cos, okay, which says cos theta will be equals to adjacent all over hypotenuse. Since we have adjacent and hypotenuse, it will now be cos theta, okay, equals to adjacent, which is 3, all over hypotenuse, which is 7, okay? Now, because we need the angle, okay? Now, let us continue. When we use our calculator and divide 3 divided by 7, it will now give us 0.4286, okay? Now, making theta subject of formula, we now find cos inverse Please, it's on our calculator, right? It's on our calculator. Just bring your calculator and check it. You see cos inverse on your calculator. You can also see sine inverse, tan inverse, okay? Now, making theta subject of formula. This is how to make it subject of formula. You now say theta equals to cos inverse of this value 0.4286. Close it. You now bring your calculator to now type inside your calculator. Look, you now on your calculator, you now press shift, then press cos because tan inverse is under the cos, okay? You press shift on your calculator, you now press cos, which the tan inverse is under. If you want to get the value of if you want to get the value of those things under your calculator, not the one on top of the buttons, you press shift and press the cos. The tan inverse will come out. You now type all these values there and press equals to it will now give you the values, okay? Right? Now, after doing it on my calculator, I will now press equals to. What does it give me? Tan will now be equals to 64.26 degrees. 62 degrees. Then by the question say we should find the base angle to the nearest degrees. To the nearest degrees, we will now approximate it. It will now be tan equals to 65 degrees. 65 degrees. Therefore, this base angle is 65. So this one is 65, the other one is 65. So the base angles will now be 65 degrees. Thank you so much for watching, okay? I really appreciate you. Make sure you comment, like, follow, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless.